Hey guys, welcome to Helpful Solutions. This is how to get a light rainbow effect on Capcut. So first one is open the Capcut application into your device, and from here just simply open a project and import a photo or a video. And now once you are here on the Capcut preview, as you can see I have a sample video over here. And now down below guys, you should be able to see here multiple icons. So just simply go ahead and go for the effects. Now, here on the effects, you will have multiple options as well. So just simply go for the video effects. And now, here on the video effects, guys, you will have multiple options over here, as you can see. So just simply go for the light effects over here. Now, to narrow down, just simply use the search bar over here and search for a rainbow. Now, guys, once you have search rainbow, as you can see, you will have here multiple options. So from here, just simply select which one that you prefer. So let's say I'm going to go for rainbow one. So just simply double tap on it. And from here, as you can see, you will have this second bar over here, and you can extend the rainbow effect based on your duration. And pretty much you will have a freedom over here to customize your video. There you go. See ya.